Hi guys, today I'm explaining this whole thing. Whole Legos house like that. Pet place that I build. So I will explain now. This is one home house. So from here we can go from here and open this door. Now we can go from here, close the door and take care of the pets and go again. So this okay, let's go again in from the door. So now from here, open the window. From here we can see. Hello! Okay, now let's close the door. We can see nature, these pets and everything. So now let's close the window doors and go out again. So here is a marriage thing. We can sit here. So here will be the people. This is like a stage. And this is the decoration. Like that. This is the chair again. Sofa type of chair. Now I'm going back to the home. Okay, now let's open the door. The door is broken. We can see the marriage. If we don't want to go there, we can see from this window. Okay, and these two are his friends. These two are his friends. Okay, now let's put them here. And this is his brother. And this is these two people's cousin. Okay, so let's set them here. Sit them here, and he can sit over here. These are like chairs. Voila! You can sit here. Now let's take them. Now the marriage will come, so we should go. It is actually pet's marriage. So now let's celebrate. Let's take the feathers. Only 3 feathers. 3 feathers. 2 actually. Okay, this is the whole family. And with a nice flower. Nice, right? So let's put it over here again back. So this is the whole story, but one more thing. Now let's take this guy home and I will explain this all things. Okay, this is their bed to sleep. And this is the chair to see from here that I told you we can see the marriage if we are not there. Sleep here and sit here and eat. This is the dining table. And we can cook over here. So that's easy. No toilet.